Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Paramount Plus Error Code 3005. Full troubleshooting guide for all devices. Fix 1. Restart the Paramount Plus app. Close the Paramount Plus app completely. Wait 10 to 15 seconds. Reopen the app. Try playing the content again. Fix 2. Restart your device. Turn off your TV, streaming device, phone, tablet, or computer. Unplug it for about 30 seconds. Turn it back on. Launch Paramount Plus and test playback. Fix 3. Check your internet connection. Restart your modem and router. Make sure your Wi-Fi signal is strong. Try switching to a different network if available. Use an Ethernet connection for the most stable streaming experience. Fix 4. Clear the Paramount Plus cache. Android. Open Settings. Tap Apps, then Paramount Plus. Select Storage. Tap Clear Cache. If needed, tap Clear Data and sign in again. Fix 5. Update the Paramount Plus app. Open your device's App Store. Search for Paramount Plus. Install any available updates. Restart the app after updating. Fix 6. Disable VPN or proxy services. VPNs and proxy services can interfere with Paramount Plus streaming. Disconnect any active VPN, turn off proxy settings, restart the app and try again. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.